promises something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. It's love. Welcome aboard, it's love.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of Matchbox Marks Diecast Restorations. And this is a special build. This build was suggested by Summer Rose. And for those of you that don't know Summer, Summer is an avid supporter of the Dibs channel in our individual channels. And Summer is even into the diecast restorations and customization and will soon have a YouTube channel out. So anyway, Summer suggested that we do a love boat build per se, and today is Valentine's Day, February 14th, and for those of you that are old enough to remember the Love Boat, popular sitcom back in the 70s, with Captain Steubing and Julie the cruise director, Gopher the purser, and Isaac the bartender, and Doc the doctor, and then of course Captain Steubing. So anyway, let's get this off the roundabout. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I actually got this from one of my students a couple years ago. It's a Hot Wheels boat. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but let's stick around and let's find out. All right. See you on the other side. All right, let's bring the boat to the maintenance floor. What we got here? So, preserving nature is our business. Oceanics Research Vehicle 1. So it looks like it's a research boat, speedboat. So let's see what we got going on here. 2-post, not too difficult. And I'm thinking it's going to be a pretty simple casting. And we got our little wheels, which I probably won't put back on. And then we got this, the engine assembly, which is pretty cool. Get it in the camera here. I have to see if I can detail that a little bit. And a window unit. Looks like it might just pop out. I'm thinking. Maybe, or does it pop out? Oh, it pops out. Look at that. Huh. It's got those little clips there. Glad I didn't break it. That's it, folks. Pretty simple. Not too complicated. All right, so I'm going to toss these wheels. Obviously, I don't want any wheels on it. Anyway, I might keep them. I don't know. All right, stick around. Operation Boat. All right, here's my boat. I painted it white after white coat of primer, and I don't know what color scheme I'm going to go with it, so we'll see what happens. All right, stick around. All right, I'm getting ready to assemble my boat. My first ever boat on the old channel. It's kind of fun. Hopefully you like the outcome. All right, see you at the reveal. All right, before we take a look at the final reveal, let's see what I started with. A shabby looking race boat. All right, let's see where I ended up. All right, it is time for my reveal for the Summer Rose Love Boat Invitational. Obviously, it doesn't have to be a love boat, but anyway, in honor of Valentine's Day, that was a great idea to do. So thank you, Summer, for that. And hopefully Summer's going to be coming out with the new YouTube channel here pretty soon. So anyway, Summer, hopefully this satisfies the requirement for your build. So anyway, I took a Hot Wheels casting and I made it into a Coast Guard boat. I had no idea what to do with it at all. I was just confused. So it hit me like a ton of bricks. I'm like, I'll do Coast Guard. So the Coast Guard is part of our military that patrols the coast. Obviously, Coast Guard. So anyway, so made my own decals there with the Coast Guard and then the U.S. Coast Guard. One of them, as it's coming around, the R and the D kind of smudged a little bit, and so I couldn't redo it. So that's the only flaw with this. And where you see the 9, I didn't know what else to put there. It was a big empty space, so we'll call it boat number 9. And yeah, really, really fun. So excited to go check out everybody else's build, especially boats. This was my first boat that I've ever done, so it was really, really awesome to do it. I know that Matchbox has a couple hovercrafts out there and police boats and everything, and haven't done those yet. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.
That's all, folks.